Hi, welcome back to a really quick tip here. So I've made my rice. This is basmati. This is the longest basmati. 1121, it's a hybrid, longest rice in the world. Somebody's disputed that and said no it isn't. I used to work in the rice industry for many years in India, but I asked them, okay, so what's the longest rice? They couldn't reply. So as far as I'm concerned, this is the longest rice in the world, but that's besides the point. So we've got some great rice. So we all know about saffron rice, and saffron can be very, very expensive, worth its weight in gold. So what do we have here? To the left we have a little korai with some saff flour boiling. Now what saff flour is, I can turn the heat off that now, it's nice and boiled, good couple of minutes. Saff flour, I think it's named saff flour for the simple reason that it resembles saffron but is a fraction of the price. I mean, there's about 100 grams there. It cost me, I don't know, £1.50. So it's a poor man's saffron, if you like. And the whole point is, when you think of poor man's saffron, you think saffron's all about colour, yeah? They use it for dyes, not so much anymore because it costs a fortune. But we're talking about colouring, aren't we? So what we do, we can put that there, and we can just drain this saff flour. It's been boiling about 5 minutes on a vigorous heat, and that's it. See a lot of the nice red fresh colour that was in it has gone in. It looks a little bit murky, but what we can do is just slowly pour that on part of the rice. I don't want it all yellow. So that's a little trick. So what I'm going to do is just let that sink in, dry a little, and the thumbnail of the video is what it looks like. So there's a little trick if you want the luxurious colour of saffron. Don't use too much saff flour, it's quite bitter. So a little trick, poor man's saffron just heightens the oral and visual splendour of great rice. So thanks for watching, catch you later.